Before we get started, guys, please like and subscribe for more content like this, and thanks for your support. Thank you. Afternoon all, Patrick here. We're in bloody lockdown. Curfews from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock in the evening, 5 in the morning. Hard to get out, but I had an exception today because I had to go for an appointment in the hospital, and great opportunity for me to grab a burger on my way home because they can't stop me and they can't find me because I'm traveling to and from home or from an appointment that's verified. So I am going to Royal Brothers in Church Street, Brighton, on my way home. Little bit of a detour, but it's okay. So let's check that out. Can I get a royal bacon, thanks?
Yep.
And that's about it, mate.
So easy.
Cool.
What name for the order?
Patrick?
Patrick.
Well, I got my burger, Royal Brothers. I've got nowhere to eat it but the car. So, got a bacon, like an extra bit of bacon on there. It's really nice, set up really well. They give you some napkins and sort of mouthwashy things. So this is it, Royal Brothers double bacon. Ooh, yum, yum. Smells awesome. Looks awesome. And it's the only place I can eat it, in the car, because I can't go to a park or any bloody where at the moment. Anyway. Wow, this makes my job hard, trying to find the best burger, because this one's bloody good. Wow, check that out. Double bacon patty, lettuce, onions, cheese, tomato, and a special mayo sauce, which is their signature sauce. Oh shit, it's nice. I'm gonna leave you the link for this joint. It's bloody good. It's not sloppy. You know, some burgers you start eating them and they sort of collapse around you. This is great. This is sort of holding its shape as I eat it. Yum. I like this. Yeah, shit, I could go back for another one easy. Pretty reasonably priced, you know, it was like 15 bucks. Whereas I spent 18 bucks at Mentone. And there's quite a few people sitting out there. So it's, it's a great little setup. It's open to the street. They've got like an ice cream parlor next to it, next to the hamburger ordering spot. It's great. Where does it rank? Pretty bloody high, honestly. Done and dusted. Oh shit, I could go for another one. I gotta get out of here. Hey, this is great. They give you a little questionnaire. How did you go? Well, Ben with a smile. Fantastic. Loved it. Great service, by the way. They're very approachable. Yeah, loved it. And what I really like too, you get a freshener, a towel freshener to clean your mouth afterwards, because you bloody need it after eating a burger. And that's a great idea. Yeah, really recommend it. Oh, I'm so tempted to go back for a second, but I need to get out of here. Oh, I'm going to get myself in trouble. That was good. Where does it rank? Pretty high, I think. Well, till next time, guys. This was hamburger number 10, and yep, really enjoyed it. Well, I was worried about getting stopped, but there's not one cop inside. Thanks for watching, guys. That was hamburger number 10, so it was really tasty. Till next time, ciao for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe for future content. Thanks for your support. Ciao for now.